For some people it's that extra glass of red wine. For others it's been overweight. But whatever the cause, sleeping on your back can cause terrible snoring and even trigger the potentially deadly condition, positional obstructive sleep apnea. Although sleeping in a different position can make everything better, a terrible snorer might not have anyone there to turn them over. My invention uses position switches to sense your sleeping position when strapped to your chest. If you turn onto your back, these switches trigger a vibration. The vibration is irritating and stops when you change position. Even with the strap, it weighs less than the lightest mobile phones. It shouldn't wake you up, and now you won't wake anyone else.